on his feet.
Oh, are you giving Henry hugs?
Hey, guys.
Can you give Henry kisses?
Hey. Is that your brother? Is he being nice to you? Is he a good big brother? You're a good big brother. Thank you, Charlie.
Good morning, Henry.
Hey.
Oh, Charlie wants to play with Henry. Is that his belly? That's his belly. That's his diaper. Leave his diaper alone, Charlie.